Look at it.
Hey guys, it's your boy Josh from Moon City here again with another technical analysis video. And we actually got, a couple DMs that wanted to go over SAVA. It's been on my watch list for a little bit. We kind of missed this move from the 44 area, pushing super high to the 148 area. And, that's really just crazy moves, right? If you bought, something here even from the 70 something and sold at this, what is this, on the 13th here, sold on dot 13, man, that's a crazy move. And if you bought puts here, I mean, definitely, who knew, right? If you time the market, you're crazy, right? But these are some crazy moves on SAVA. Definitely Alzheimer's disease is, really, really interesting topic. If we see on the live news here, we can actually see that, they're really, really into the Alzheimer's disease, trying to make a cure for it and things like that. We can see, let's see, option alert, really great options flowing into the 68 calls. Let's actually look at that. So if I want to scalp this or swing this, I want to look at the October 8th, okay? We can see a lot of volume coming in actually, and wow, that is crazy. Might actually look into this tomorrow. 62 call has some crazy volume coming in. So definitely if we look at the 5 minutes here. So on the 5 minutes here, it's been consolidating like crazy for a couple of days because the markets have been going down. We can see huge volume coming in the last 2 days. We see a spike going up all the way to 68 in the pre-market, and we just see this dump, right? So that's a little bit sketchy. So I'm really wary about trading this at the moment, but it is actually very, very volatile. So I might want to get a little piece of this tomorrow. You see that crazy volume coming in, right? So that's going to be my resistance and key levels to watch out for, right? I want to see a push above the 55, 52 before I really get into anything. Or if we see another support from the 48, 77, we can push. And if we do see a little bounce, I might want to get into it and kind of scalp this range back into the 55 and might exit around there. Might have 2 contracts and maybe, scalp it half to the 55 and then another contract to the 60 level, right? So that would be a crazy move if you guys want to do that. Not my advice though, but I am giving you guys key levels to watch out for, and we're going to be putting a resistance level right there, so that's going to act as another support. So back again at the 4 hours, we see this huge sell-off, right? Once again from that 125.05. That's a crazy, just in a week, just tanking super hard, right? And we see it kind of consolidating down below. We see the market kind of pushing down, so this is kind of pushing down with it. And then we have a great support at the 38.55, and we're pushing a little bit higher, right? So I do believe this looks like a hammer candle when we have a huge green candle and then a huge red candle 1 day later, and then we should see some kind of bullish momentum pushing back up above the 200 EMA. I would believe that would be a better safe confirmation for you guys to take a trade. Definitely I see some EMAs crossing over currently, so if you do see the 8 moving average crossing back down, that could be an indication to just wait it out for a little bit, be patient, and kind of get another dip until we can see some more confirmation on a great support, right? We can see on the TTM squeeze, it is sloping a little bit down. So the buyer momentum is kind of going away. We can see that the buyer and seller MACD, 2 lines, the buyers are actually, about to cross the sellers, and the buyers are trying to kind of like get out of this. And you see more sellers pushing in, right? We see huge red volume candle coming in today, and the RSI is a little bit flat. So I do want to see this maybe consolidate a little bit more before we can actually push higher. Or I do want to anticipate some kind of dip back under the 30 on the RSI and back below the 0 on the MACD. And then I want to see some kind of range like this, right? So something like over here, I want to buy something around like this indication. So you see the RSI is bottoming out. You can see that it's about to cross on the MACD, and you know, it's turning yellow, and we can see buyers coming in, right? So I want to see that same set of indicators agreeing with each other before I actually get into a long position on this. All right, so let me actually put a retracement tool here for you guys so that it can maybe better serve you on your watch list. And I'm going to be putting this down here, and that's going to be my top and bottom levels I'm going to be putting at for. So we can see that you can pause the video right here and actually get these levels for your future trading week on SAVA. All right, so I really want to see a great push above the 55 before I get into anything, or I want to see some kind of support down here. Great balance and volume, and once again, some kind of indicators like the one that I've showed you in the past, like this. And so we can push a little bit higher, right? And please guys, if I gave you any kind of value on here, and if you learned anything, please do like the video and subscribe, and comment down below where you see SAVA going. Do we see a little bit lower before we can actually push up higher, or are we just gonna rock it out from the 200 EMA and push above to all-time highs again? All right guys, so be safe out there and have a great trading week.